I only wish for one thing, to grow old with you.
Good morning guys. Today is Tuesday, 14th of January na. So, second week, tapos na. This is the end of second week na January. Please ignore yung sampay ko sa likod. Nagliba kasi ako gabi. Antay ko na lang na magising si Aiden and I'll start cleaning. Anyway, nasa school na si ate. And magta-try lang ako mag-edit ng vlog ngayon. So, we can start vlogging again. Wala pa rin pala akong intro ulit. We need the new intro. Paano kaya ako mag-i-intro ng kami lang ng mga bata? Masayang-masaya na naman itong isang ito. Kasi tulog pa si Aiden na mangungulit sa kanya. Mama! Nanto ka pa. You've been sleeping for a long time. Mommy, I've been sitting here with Puppy for a while, waiting for you to wake up. Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Baby, we want to live forever. And then forever young, I live forever young. Are you my sunshine? Yeah. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. Two babies. This is my sunshine.
Benny.
What's Benny?
Benny.
Where's your glasses? Where's your glasses? Grab your glasses, please. Ayan, so for breakfast, magluto tayo siguro egg and rice na lang. Tapos may tuyo kami dyan. And then, I'll probably just make yung ating, ano yun, pasta. Kasi kailangan talagang maubos yung stock natin bago tayo mamili. I don't know kung ganoon din kayo, no? Pero ako kasi, parang mas gusto kong namimili. Makakalimutan kasi ako. So, kapag namili ako, for example, tapos, lalo na ng food. So, pag uwi ko dito, meron pa pala ako noon. Tapos, hanggang sa nasisira lang, you know, gulay, karne. Minsan, sabay-sabay na nade-defrost. So, gusto ko medyo maubos para pag namili tayo talagang bago, you know. You're cold. What do you want? Mac and cheese or egg and rice?
No.
No egg and rice? Ewan ko, nanonood si Linggit, Hi, Get! Classmate ko nung high school. Lagi niya ito niluluto pag doon kami nagla-lunch sa kanila. So, corned beef. Tapos itlog. Kailangan itlog. Corned beef omelette. Nadurog. Nagurog na yung corned beef omelette natin. Ayan. Tapos sa pinaglutuan, luluto ako ng konting tuyo. Dalawang tuyo. What do you want? Ayaw niya ng pagsakin niya.
Please. It's for Aiden.
What do you want? Which one?
Yeah, or tilapia.
It's not tilapia, it's tuyo.
No.
This one?
Ma.
You want this one? Look.
Tuyo.
See?
Tuyo ka ang cake.
Ayaw niya ng pagkain niya. Gusto niya tuyo. Yummy? Kain tayo. Kain.
Thank you, Tuyo.
I had a dream last night, it was different. It was you and I in faded television. I'm not in love with you. But if I was, here's what I'd do. Here's what I'd do. If I was in love with you, torn up sheets, all the feathers. There's a picket fence somewhere, nothing better. A dose of Chanel perfume and coffee in the afternoon.
Walking kami ng kids. I got Aiden, Lily, Papia.
This flower.
You do?
I gave it to
Wow! What do you say to ate?
Aiden.
Thanks. Babapagod. Napagod ko sila para matulog na maaga mamayang gabi. It's now parang siguro mga nasa 2 o'clock. And hindi mainit ngayon kasi maulap, makulimlim. So, kahit na alas 2 kami, pwedeng lumakad si Poppy. Ang yabang. Good afternoon! Happy Sunday! So, Sunday ngayon, and we are just heading to the church bago kami mag-grocery run. Sana hindi tayo abutan ng madaming tao kasi pag Sunday pala matao sa Landers or sa lahat ng mga supermarket. So, let's see. Kasi ayoko ng busy lugar. Pero kailangan din kasi nilili ng pangbaon tomorrow. So, anyway guys, today is the 19th of January. Ayan. Happy 2025. Matagal-tagal tayong hindi humawak ng camera. So, pag-pasensya nyo na for the first few months, magiging ilang-ilang tayo or bihira tayong mag-vlog. Pero tatry natin yan. Alam mo kung bakit lang ako mag-vlog? Kasi nanood ako ng vlog. Sit down. Parang hindi talaga siya nakikinig today. Hindi.
Wait.
Bilis ang ulo niya today.
Wait.
Ano?
What? Wait.
What?
Red shoes. Red shoes. Red shoes. Red shoes.
You wanna wear your red shoes? Okay. How about the black shoes? How about the black shoes?
Uh-oh. Red shoes.
Oh, go get your red shoes then.
Yay! Put the
Ayan.
rhinoceros back.
Okay, put it in your bag. Nagbihis lang ako para mas covered. Yeah.
Animals.
Dami naman dala. Do you know which church are we going to?
No.
Where you got ba?
Yay!
Oh. You wanna bring water?
Mommy. I want to bring penguin sharks.
Oh, dala yan.
After we go to church, can we go to the statue of Jose Rizal?
Ay, that's far.
That's far?
Yeah. That's in Manila. The church that you got baptized in. The church is just here. Near Landers. You wanna go to Luneta?
What?
You want to go to Luneta? Luneta Park?
It kind of doesn't fit. Good job, you made it. Good job,
Good job, Auntie. You made it. So, ito yung good one. Sorry po. are you saying to your auntie?
I'm asking her if she is excited to go to church.
Yeah, are you?
Yes. That finished, Mama?
What?
Is this finished?
It is.
You get to see Teacher Aya first. Aya, Mama. Happy meal.
You want Happy Meal? Wow. Ayan, church done.
In the future, you'll see me here. I promise.
JP Morgan Chase. Walking na kami pa Landers.
Happy meal.
How are you, ate?
Well, how's it?
You're good?
Oh, yeah.
How was your church?
Good.
Good. Hey, did you go to church?
No,
Yes.
no, just after McDonald's.
Magma-McDonald's na daw siya. Ayan. Yeah. Nag-light ng candle si Lily sa church today. And then nung Holy Communion, she asked me, Mommy, is the bread yummy? Kami sa may uptown. Suro ng buhok ko. Si Aiden kasi, kanina, habang buhat ko kung ano nang ginagawa sa ulo ko. Shall we go?
I don't think it's just water, guys. I think
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page tonight? Can we stay? And why don't you talk to me, talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me, talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language.
You're my better half, a part of me.